A pleasant good day, sir and madam. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Marilu Umil Abuan. I am 47 years old. I am from Lumboy, San Manuel, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a widower. I have two sons, aged 26 and 25 years old. I have three siblings. My father's name is Rinaldo Umil, and my mother's name is Purificacion Umil. I studied at Ordanita Community College. As a vocational graduate, I take up Associate Computer Secretarial. My first work experience as a domestic helper was in Singapore, way back 2001 to 2024. My first employer is a Chinese. They have one baby. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the baby, washing clothes, clean the house, ironing clothes, and cook food for madam and sir. My second work experience is Singapore also. My Chinese employer, they have one baby. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the baby and washing clothes, clean the house, ironing clothes, and cook food for madam and sir. My third work experience as a domestic helper was in Saudi Arabia, way back 2001 to 2025. As a housekeeper, my duties and responsibilities is clean the house, clean the bathroom, clean the room, changing bedsheet, and clean the surfaces and windows and furnitures. My top qualities as a domestic helper is I'm a kind, trustworthy, honest, and friendly. I'm also a flexible and reliable. I really hope, ma'am and sir, you'll choose me as a new member of your family as a worker. I'll do my best and work hard for your family. I thank you. God bless you all.